Welcome back to the channel, guys. So I have been on YouTube for 11 months now, and I have made a number of mistakes. I have learned a lot of things, and there's a lot of things that I am still yet to learn. Many persons get the wrong impression about YouTube. Some people feel like you just start YouTube and you become a millionaire overnight. It don't work like that. You understand what I'm saying? Many persons have misconceptions about how YouTube works. So I will take the time out based on what I have learned so far and based on the mistakes that I've made to give you a YouTube one-on-one lesson as best as I can. So I'm going to try to impart some of the little knowledge that I've gathered or gained since I've started this YouTube thing. One circle, soon forward. Before we proceed, smash the like button to pieces. Leave a comment, please share the life out of this video. Feel free to subscribe for more content. Remember to turn on your notification so as to never miss another video.
Let's do it.
So when you become a YouTube partner, that means you can monetize your videos. You sign an agreement, a contractual agreement, that you don't speak about how much money you make off YouTube. But I don't think I'll get in any trouble to say that the CPM varies from country to country. CPM is the amount of money you earn per 1,000 views. You understand what I say? And you basically, on average, earn about $1 US for every 1,000 views. But you have to remember, so YouTube now get 45% of every dollar and you get 55%. That is the split. You understand what I say? So if you make $100 off of YouTube for the month, it means that you then get $55 and YouTube get $45. Basically, a kind of sell work for. But some persons have the opinion that you upload a video, you get 100,000 views and you're rich in a work. So you understand, especially for Jamaican YouTubers. In some other geographic regions earn more, far more than Jamaica. For example, the market that has the highest CPM, that is dollars per 1,000 views, is the United States, followed by the United Kingdom, then Canada. That is how it works out based on my understanding. So for example, you will see a Jamaican blogger upload a video and he get 300,000 views, but where did that video amass most of those 300,000 views? So for example, 200,000 was in Jamaica. Him really and truly don't make no money off of the Jamaican views per se, you understand? But if he had 200,000 views in America or the UK or Canada or all three markets put together compared to Jamaica, then he might go make a little money. You understand what I say? So based on where your video is terminated, based on where it is watched, that is how and where you will make money. You understand? So don't get fooled by a man putting up a portion of video and you see him rack up a portion of views. Where are the views accumulating? So you have to be conscious about that. So you need know, if you're gonna get interested in YouTube, to put out content to target a specific market if you intend to make money. You understand what I say? Now, there are other factors that will influence whether you make money, yes or no. Zane, but the greatest, because some people tell you that if you get 1,000 likes, you get X amount of money. No, go so. You don't get money for likes, you don't get money for comments, you don't get money for subscribers, you don't get money for dislikes. I'm going to tell you how the subscriber thing works. Zane, because look at it, I have roughly 12,000 subscribers. So it means that every video me put out should averagely have at least 10,000, 11,000 views. But it works because every video is not for every subscriber. You understand what subscription mean? It means okay, when your video goes live, some people get some notification and choose to watch it yes or no. So if you have 100,000 subscribers, it means 150,000 people might watch your video. You understand what I say? So subscription is important, but you know, making no money unless the subscribers watch your video and with them there when they watch it. So that's important. Likes no make no money. What likes do, it tells YouTube based on them rankings, say okay, people like the content, so they might go surface your video a bit more, so it will be closer to the top in a search. See, when people thumbs down your video for various reasons. Some people thumbs down your video because they don't like you, them think the video don't make no sense. You know, in Jamaica, some people aren't really clean, so they might try to fight a thing. But thumbs down really do not major to your video, you know, whether negatively or positively, you know. You understand what I say? Let us say, okay, a few people not appreciate, but look on the biggest videos them on YouTube. The biggest videos them have the most thumbs down, but them also have the most likes. You understand what I say? So for your man, just go podcast, you know, some of my videos, no matter what the content is, no matter how positive and uplifting and encouraging some man dislike, and sometimes I want dislike. And I feel that the same set of person them and dislike the videos then. You understand? But we make that be a motivation to us. We don't make that bring me down or hold me down. You understand? Or discourage you. So when a man dislike your video, you know really and truly you don't mean much. You understand what I say? So that's the next thing now. The biggest thing for your video is a watch time. That is the most critical thing about it. I guess the thumbs up and the comments will help your video to trend if it gathers pace quickly. You understand what I say? And trending means more people are going to watch it, and then you get more watch time and you're going to make money. So everything is important to a level. But the most important thing about a YouTube video doing very well is watch time. The amount of time one single person sit down and watch it. You understand? So some man will tell us that your video will be 20 minutes because the longer people watch it, the better it is. But when, you know, people kind of lose interest very quickly. So if a video is 1 minute, you will realize a lot of videos that goes viral are very short. See? And one of the reasons why it goes viral is because people watch out most of the video, if not all of it, because it's short. You understand? So I was told some wrong things in the past. Say, yo, make your videos them 15-20 minutes. It don't really work out, because not everybody goes to watch a video 15-20 minutes. If your video can be 7 to 10 minutes, some people even suggest 5 minutes. It means a person will probably spend 5 minutes watch a video than 10 minutes, you know. So you have to be careful, you have to strike a balance. You understand what I say? So the longer person, and look here, watch time, you know, means if at 20 minutes or 1 minute. If the video is 1 minute and 1,000 people saying I watch 1 minute, a watch time that for that video there is 100%. Versus if a video is 10 minutes and only 50% sit down and watch out the 10 minutes. You're not accumulating only for watch time. So you have a wise. You understand what I say? So watch time is the most important thing in YouTube surfacing your video and recommending a video. And then you add a thumbs up or likes to that. You understand what I say? And shared. People, when we say like the video, them good things happen. The videos them trend, the videos them surface on a level. The greatest thing you can do for your favorite YouTuber is to sit down and watch the entire video, give it a thumbs up and share it to everybody you know. The more the video is shared, the more the video is watched, the more watch time on the video. So it is better for your favorite YouTuber, because everybody have favorite YouTubers. You understand what I say? So if teach them your favorite YouTuber, watch your whole of my video, like it, share it. You understand what I say? I saw the thing work. So then peeps, in short, watch time and location where the video is watched is the two most important things in doing well on YouTube. You understand what I say? You know, in a sense, I do a bag of video where I get a portion of views, yes, but a Jamaican people are watching. And Jamaican people appreciate the support. But the fact of the matter is that we really make money when the videos are watched in the United States, in the UK and in Canada, but we appreciate the love from the Jamaican subscribers and viewers them scheming, because we help to build the channel said way, but the thing is that the economy in Jamaica don't facilitate a high CPM. You understand what I say? This YouTube thing is very complex, it's not as cut and dry as many people would think. You see what I say?
Beat and teach, so beat and teach, so beat and teach. Beat and teach, beat and teach, beat and teach, beat and teach, beat and teach.
So peeps, here we go on. I know many other persons out there are interested in starting a YouTube channel. Great, you understand? Start with what you have. Start with the equipment now you have. I spent the first about 7-8 months of my channel, everything was done with my cell phone. Editing, recording, everything, until I was able to upgrade. You understand what I say? Until I was able to acquire a camera. I'm having some issues with camera now. That is why most of my videos now are voiceovers instead of on camera, because the audio quality from a voiceover is way better than when me record with my cell phone, because the camera gives some audio problems, so I need to change it. You understand? But use what you have until you can upgrade. That's the first thing. Next, find what works for you and stick to that and try to be the best person at that. You understand what I say? So no matter, because you see a man channel a shut up with views, you gotta change where you are do. If you do that, build your thing from the ground up and it will sustain itself over time. Put out good content, put out relevant content, and people will eventually discover you and start support you. So nobody run down the hype where you see a man a run down. Not getting enough foolishness from YouTube with nobody about channel in a beef and them something. Them there's something they are crap. You understand what I say? You know people love the foolishness, but at the end of the day them things that turn off people. You see me there pan? Ensure say when you put out a video, you are comfortable with the video and you're comfortable in yourself. So okay, you then sit down and watch it, so other people might sit down and watch it as well. You understand what I say? You also have to ensure say at the end of the day you're being original, you're being yourself. See, don't try to copy a man. Yes, you got to take some good practices from the one YouTuber, then the one YouTuber there to help formulate your thing, but always remember to try and stay original. See, be engaging. Engage with your viewers and your subscribers. Talk to them in the comment section. Be respectful. You see me, I say, nobody go run with nobody and tell them about them mother and them something. You see me, I make them, people go tell you that, you know, but you have to just laugh off of them thing that. Yell up a man said way, big up a man said way. You see me, I say, you have to be consistent. See, because if you're gonna be a vlogger, especially a Jamaican vlogger, the content we have put out is not evergreen content. You know, it's not something we're gonna last 6-7 months. Well, you see me, I say it's something we're gonna last a few days or a couple of weeks, and then you have to move on. So you have to be consistent. You have to always come with something new. You see me, I say you have to select your topics them wisely as well. You can't do everything with everybody. Some topics me not do, you know. You never realize that. No matter how hot, me make it stay right. So know your audience, know what your audience want. Listen to the suggestions and the constructive criticisms what the viewers and the subscribers are make, and use that to improve yourself. Nobody customer and tell them if you go and lower your channel alone. No, because they are your audience. So you have to learn to please your audience. You understand what I'm saying? Remember me tell you, watch time and watch location important. It's like an artist where I do a portion of stage show at Jamaica. A few big stage show do at Jamaica. So when you do a portion of stage show at Jamaica, you know, make a portion of money compared to an artist where you tour. An artist that tour UK, the United States and Canada. When you come back, your bank account fat. So when your videos are watched in the United States, Canada and the UK, you make some money versus if all your videos are being terminated in Jamaica. So that's the thing that peeps. Just some one-on-one. So I hope say the youth may have planned for getting at the thing. Because YouTube are 7-8 billion people in the world. More than enough people there for you. You understand? So you have some youth who don't really want nobody else coming at the thing. And that's how it go. You understand? We welcome everybody into the thing. Find your niche, find a work for you, stick to it, try improve systematically as time goes by. You improve your audio, improve your video, improve your content, you improve as you go along. You see me I say you're gonna make some mistakes, and again you will see a video where you shop and the man not earn $1 because it's not every video is advertiser friendly. Seeing something in the video where advertiser just not like, you say something or one clip or something in the video where just now work, you can't make no money off of it. Some of my biggest videos them on the channel, I not earn off of them. So you have to factor in them, look at something there. A man will have a video with about 1 million views, but him not make no money off of it because one song probably in the background where somebody claim copyright and them make the money. So a whole heap of things to things, people. You have to make some mistakes, but you have to just learn from them. So hopefully this helps a lot of people. If not, helps a few. Hopefully my experience will aid you in making a few less mistakes. You understand what I say? Teach them saying, yo, manners and respect to all of the subscribers and viewers. I love you like that. You understand what I say? Bigger and better things to come. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.